So you've made the decision to put a heat pump into your home, and you're wondering to yourself, what is the optimal heat pump? And ultimately you should consult with your local HVAC contractor, and multiple, we suggest 2 to 3, to determine what is going to be the proper product for your home. They'll guide you through a step-by-step process and help you along the way to show you and explain to you what the best solution for your home is. Primarily, you're looking at the heat loss calculation, but there are other variables like how well your home is insulated and the type of insulation that your home has that your HVAC contractor is going to know exactly what to look for.